This video is about Power BI. So what is Power BI? Power BI is a cloud-based analysis tool by Microsoft which helps users to analyze their data, basically any kind of data. And second thing is it is actually a self-service BI tool. So even people without any coding knowledge can easily get away with data analysis using Power BI. So that means business analysts, data analytics professional, all these people can now do their work with much more ease with a tool like Power BI. So now we are going to discuss about the various versions of Power BI. So there are basically three versions for Power BI. The first one is the Power BI desktop, which is absolutely free to use. So anybody with a desktop or a laptop can easily download the Power BI desktop. And second thing is the Power BI Pro account, but it is actually a paid account. So you will have a monthly subscription. It depends on like which region of the world you are. So it is however a paid account. And third thing is the premium capacity, which is only used by big MNCs. So what they do is they purchase a whole domain from the Microsoft and they use it on their own. So these are the three different versions of Power BI. So each of this we are going to see a better explanation of all these versions in the next video. So see you in the next video. Thank you.